Welcome to another English speaking practice video. Today, we'll be shopping at the supermarket, covering common conversations, asking for help, and learning useful expressions. Let's get started. Hi, where can I find a shopping cart?
It's right near the entrance.
Thank you. Excuse me, where can I find the avocados?
They're right over there, near the onions.
Great, thanks. Where are the canned beans?
They're on the top shelf in aisle 5.
Thanks, I'll check there. Do you have organic apples?
Yes, they're in the organic section at the back of the store.
Thank you. I'll take a look. Excuse me, do you have almond milk?
Yes, it's in the refrigerated section.
Thanks. I've been looking for it. Is there a discount on these items?
Yes, there's a 10% discount if you buy 3 or more.
Perfect. I'll take 3 then.
Do you have a membership card?
No, not today.
Your total is $25.50. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Would you like paper or plastic bags?
I'll use my own reusable bags, thanks. Thanks for your help.
Have a great day!
You too. Now, let's take a moment to focus on some interesting words and expressions you can use when shopping at the supermarket. These will help you sound more natural in everyday conversations. Shopping cart, a cart on wheels for holding groceries. Example, where can I find a shopping cart? Entrance, the way into a building. Example, it's right near the entrance. Right over there, a casual way to point out something that's nearby. Example, they're right over there, near the onions. Top shelf, the highest level of a shelf. Example, they're on the top shelf in aisle 5. Aisle, the walkway between rows of shelves. Example, the beans are in aisle 5. Organic, food grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. Example, do you have organic apples? Refrigerated section, the area where cold items are stored. Example, it's in the refrigerated section. Discount, a reduction in price. Example, is there a discount on these items? Would you like a receipt? A polite way to ask if the customer wants a printed receipt. Example, would you like a receipt? Reusable bags, bags that can be used more than once. Example, I'll use my own reusable bags. Great job practicing your English at the supermarket today. If you want to improve even more, go ahead and watch this video again. Try repeating the phrases out loud to practice your pronunciation. The more you practice, the better you'll get. See you next time.